Hi everybody, me again. Quick video to talk about a relatively unknown set of utilities produced free of charge by Microsoft for your Windows machines called PowerToys. I've been using them now for quite some time. Really are a set of powerful different utilities to really kind of be a power user on your Microsoft machine. So I thought today we'd just run through it quickly and show you how to install it, and then in the future I think I'll do a few instructional videos of how to use some of the various utilities that I find really useful. So on the Microsoft homepage, it takes you through some of the headline features of what it can do. Always on top, for example, color picker, which is pretty good. If there's a particular color in one of the apps that you're using, you can put that into your clipboard and then you can use that in any other app. There's a few file explorer add-ons which make the whole browsing experience much more powerful. Host file editor, image resizer is incredibly powerful, so you can take any set of images and you can change them individually or on bulk to any sizes that you want, any format mostly, and pixel sizes, for example. Keyboard manager, there's lots of things you can do in terms of the mouse. Power rename is one of the most powerful. So I used to do a lot of things through PowerShell to rename files on batch. Power rename is much more intuitive as a kind of a web front end approach rather than typing a script. So I'll do a whole video on Power rename. And there's a whole bunch of other things there that are available. So I thought, first of all, just show you where to find it and how to install it, because it doesn't come as standard for some reason. I really don't know why Microsoft wouldn't make this feature standard. It is really good. So first thing you want to do is head over to the Microsoft Store. Just type in Store in the search bar. Once you get there at the top, just type in PowerToys. And there we go. Microsoft PowerToys. So once that's loaded, you'll see a whole bunch of screenshots and things. I've already installed that, but literally you would just click install here. That would run, and then you would find that then in your shortcut menu from there on. If for some reason you can't install PowerToys via the Windows Store, not to worry, that's been reported by a few people on Windows 10 in particular. And maybe even Windows 11. Microsoft has provided other ways for you to do this. So you can do this from their GitHub release pages. So if you go to this URL, which I'll paste down in the description below, learn.microsoft.com, and then / English US, Windows, PowerTools, and install. When you get there, you can see there's an install PowerToys button. So just left click on that. That will take you to their GitHub page. If you scroll down to the bottom for assets, then just choose which one of these executables is right for you. So they've got versions for ARM processors, and for everybody else, you need to understand which processor you've got and whether you've got a 32-bit or 64-bit. One way you can check that, type in settings on the search bar. Once you go to settings, go to system, left click on that, then scroll down to the bottom and click on about. So if you look at this, I can see here my processor is Intel i5, so I do not want the ARM one. And then in terms of system type, I've got a 64-bit system. So close that one out, go back. So I need this one. So if I just left click on that, that's going to open up a download dialog box, which you can see here. Just wait for that to finish. Once that's done, head over to your download folder, which is normally where it puts it. So you can see it here. Double click on that. And then just wait for that to open and just go through the normal installation process. So just agree, install, and yes. So that will go away and do that for you. Okay, so the install's complete. So just close that out, and that's opened up the interface. So you can see here all the release notes of what's new, and on the left there's a whole menu there of things that you can select to do. So that's as far as I'm going to go in this video, just to show you how to install it. and I'll see you in the next video, and I'll do a series of these, as I said before, to give a few tutorials on the various utilities that's available. Hope you like it. If you do, please consider subscribing and even hit that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everybody.